Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Sync. In this video, we are going to tell you about the cutoff of the GenC exams for all roles. Also, we will be giving the complete guide so that you can crack the Cognizant interview. So let's start with the first thing. So let's understand the exam flow. So first of all, everyone registers and the screening round is done by them. Then those who are shortlisted, mostly everyone is shortlisted and they got the communication skills, means communication assessment they have to solve and showcase their communication skills. After that, they will be getting the aptitude assessment. Aptitude and communication can be on the same day, and technical assessment can be on another day or can be in the same day. So after clearing these two rounds, you will be getting the profile for the GenC, GenC Pro or GenC Next according to the marks. So I will break down each and everything in the next slide. So wait till the end, and after you clear your interview, then you will be getting the letter of intent. So let's start with the communication assessment. So first of all, it's not a elimination round, but it does contribute to the total score of your exam, because whatever the score you will get, you will be shortlisted for the GenC profiles and for the full-time employment role. Okay, so in this round you will be checking out for your test communication, spoken English, fluency, grammar and listening skills as well. Scores are added with their other rounds, like for the technical and for the GenC profiles you will be getting the role according to everything. Also, don't ignore it. It's a very important round that you should not underestimate. Okay. Now coming to the aptitude round. It is also a very important round because you are going to get 30 questions, and if you can solve 25 plus question, then you can aim for the GenC next role, and about 15 to 25 then you can get for GenC and GenC Pro role. All are very important, and there are many flaws that I will tell you in the later videos, so don't wait for that. And also there is one more assessment which is game based assessment. There are 4 sections with multiple levels, and if you want me to create a full video on game based assessment, then I will be telling you a big about that. But for now, you have to aim for above 20 questions to get a chance for interview round, so that you can clear this round. Okay. Now coming for the technical assessment, it is a very important. So here you have to solve 2 coding questions, 2 SQL based question and 1 web based question. 5 questions are asked in the technical assessment, where you have to solve at least 3 questions, including SQL, coding, and web based questions. If you can solve these questions for 110%, you are going to get the chance for the interview, but it will be for the GenC role. And if you solve about 20 to 25, then you will be getting for the GenC Pro, and above 25, then definitely it's for GenC Pro role. Also, 100% accuracy in web-based questions for Pro and Next role, because in the future you are going to get these roles. Also, and for GenC Next and Pro, all coding plus SQL must be solved perfectly. So you should not miss this. It is a very important, and it helps you to get a chance to get onboarded in the company, because if you cannot clear the technical assessment, you are not going to get into the interview round. Okay. Now what should be your preparation strategy? So you have to use the previous year question papers. Even today's, like 2025 year question paper, I will be sharing you all the details which you need. Okay, let me give you right here only. So let's see that here is a group where you can discuss it. Here are some questions that you need in your exam forms. There is a total list of all the question which is asked and for all the clusters, so you can get it. If you don't want, then I have also shared in my TopMate account. and it's zero cost. So everyone can download for cybersecurity role project big question, Cognizant interview experience, cluster, Java, and for C Sharp Python as well. So you should not miss this, all the things. So everything is important. So you should go and download it for your upcoming. Also, there you will be getting everything like coding question, SQL queries, step-by-step explanations, and avoid random sources that don't give schemas or code. Okay, and this should be a proper strategy for your upcoming interview and for your assessment. Now, what is the scoring system? So all scores are cumulative. Communication plus aptitude plus game plus technical. All round are very important. Suppose that it's all around 100 marks, but if you score above 50 or 60, then you will be getting the chance for the interview. So these play a keen role in your interview process. So you should practice well before going to the real interview. Okay. Now, your consistency is very important because if you are consistent in solving coding questions, aptitude, then it will be definitely helpful for you in your upcoming assessment and for everything. Not only for Cognizant, but for every company assessment and everything. Okay, so this is the scoring system that you have to follow up. And also, if your total score is very less and during after the interview, then you are not going to get any rejection mail because you will be directly rejected without sending any mail. So you have to keep that in mind as well. Now what you have to do, you have to join the community and resources, like join telegram groups that I have shared. It is my personal, so you can join. There are many students who are helping each other, not only for the assessment but for the interview preparation as well. Solve your doubt, you can ask the doubt in the group. They will be definitely helping you, including me. If nobody is responding, just text me personally. I will be definitely sure helping you. And you can see the latest updates in that group instead of watching the full videos. Peer discussion, you can ask and learn from them, and you can give guidance to them as well. So this is very important. Not only my group, there are many groups which are helping like this. So you can join any group as you see fit. Okay. So to get the success, you have to be consistent. Your performance will be checked according to your hard work. Okay. Also prepare well. Don't underestimate any section. All are very important and you should not miss a single thing. Also, more detailed study material link in the description. So you can check our description. There you will be getting everything what you need. Also, please like, share and subscribe to our channel because we are making efforts to make this video, and your support is very important and helpful for us, which motivates me to create more such content for you guys. So that's it for today. And if you need any help, just let me know. And thank you.